get to $100 a day when doing affiliate marketing, you need a plan of action or a step-by-step action plan. And what I'm going to show you here in this case study that follows along with my $100 a day system. There's a link in the description to the playlist. You can see exactly what I'm doing step by step here on the channel. I'm going to show you where I am and the plan and how I'm going to move forward with that plan and work my way up to $100 a day system with a YouTube channel and a blog. So first things first, the system and the money it's currently making. You can see here inside of Warrior Plus, this is one of the marketplaces I'm using. And when you click on the affiliate stats, you can see today's total so far, $18.23. Of course, all this traffic that will be generating in a $100 a day system will compound in daily sales, as well as recurring payments of the products that we're promoting inside of our $100 a day system. Of course, that was just one of the marketplaces of Warrior Plus. You can see here on Gumroad, I am making other sales of products that I'm recommending, as well as AdSense. Once you have your channel monetized, you can add this into the system. It's not directly affiliate marketing, but it does count to the total money that you'll make when you build out your $100 a day system following the action plan. Of course, I'm talking about building a YouTube channel, making simple videos like the ones you see here. Most of them, I don't even show my face in the video. I just demonstrate or I talk about a concept and show my screen and the things that I'm doing inside of my business and highlighting the things or the tools that I use and the products that I recommend as I use them in my business. Of course, I'll be adding a blog, and of course, that blog will be inside of WordPress. And it all comes together to look like this. There's people on the internet. That's your audience. Your audience is going to find your content inside your $100 a day system on YouTube, and your blog post on your blog. We'll be using WordPress for that. You'll add your affiliate links to your YouTube channel as well as your blog post, and you will earn affiliate commissions. That is the core of your $100 a day system. And a combination of traffic from your blog and your YouTube channel will get you to recurring payments as well as to daily sales. Again, like you see here on Warrior Plus, one of the marketplaces that I've chosen for products that I promote inside of my $100 a day system, but you can use any marketplace. Of course, you need a solid action plan, and my number one recommendation is over at Taking Action Online. There's a link in the description. You can get access to this action plan by starting with the Fast Track Affiliate Bootcamp. And currently, the Fast Track Affiliate Bootcamp inside of Taking Action Online from Philip Barman starts off with these free videos. Getting started, failing forward, falling in love with boring, investing in yourself. How long does it take to make money online? The big question that everybody wants the answer to. It's right here in this video, as well as how to get to $100 a day. Just like the system I'm using, it's all right here inside of the Fast Track Affiliate Bootcamp. Link in the description to get this for free. Of course, after you go through the Fast Track Affiliate Bootcamp, the action plan will walk you through building the foundations of your business, picking a niche, building a rock solid foundation, choosing a path to success, deploying a conversion optimized site, creating an irresistible lead magnet, as well as coming soon. This is March 4th, March 7th, 2020, Email Marketing Bootcamp, time to launch, and the Tao Marketing Academy will be opened, and you will have all this information and access to me inside of the community, as well as the tools that you need to include the Taking Action Online SEO Toolkit. This is an all-in-one SEO toolkit for premium members. You see here you have the training, which includes a SERP checklist. The SERP checklist is about determining if the search engine results page keyword research is just too competitive or too noisy to pursue a specific keyword. That checklist goes along with all the training and all the tools that are inside of the toolkit. And this is the actual toolkit right here with a demonstration of the keyword research tool. In this example, how to make money online for beginners. This is going to go out and pull all the pertinent information that you need to know and understand as you're building out your $100 a day system. And again, it's all right here inside of the action plan and Taking Action Online, as well as the community, other workshops, rapid implementation courses, additional courses and coaching, and resources such as strategy guides, template vault, and other checklists to include your Tao progress tracker, as well as blog post SEO checklist and a YouTube SEO checklist to make sure that each step of the way you are building out your $100 a day system so you can find your audience, who are the people on the internet that have a problem and are looking for a solution. And inside your $100 a day system, you'll be creating content on your YouTube channel as well as on your blog, one or the other or both combined, as I'm doing it inside of my $100 a day system to earn affiliate commissions. Fantastic. Now you've seen everything that I'm doing, the action plan step by step, exactly how it's going to work. Link in the description to pick up your free boot camp so you can see exactly what's going on, the system I'm following. Link in the description. Grab that. Check it out. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.